All right, guys, we are ready to get started today, creeping ever closer to the end of Module 2. We're going to start with the sprint, which can always be found in your Fluency Starry Night practice book. This one is titled 10 More and 10 Less. It is found on page 117, that's 117, and the directions read to write the missing number. Pretty straightforward. Pay attention to the location of your missing number, and as always, do your best. Only competing with yourself. The fluency is for you to become more fluent with your facts, more fluent. Okay, guys? So we're going to put 1 minute on the clock. On your mark, get set, go. All right, guys, you know what that sound means? That means our minute is up, and it is time to go ahead and check our work. So, come on. All right, going ahead and checking our work. We are writing the missing number. It doesn't say it, but I'm going to say it. Pay attention to the signs. If you get it right, give yourself a check and a little tiny yes. If you get it wrong, mark it wrong and just know that it's something to practice on. Fluency is about getting better and being stronger and being able to do these kinds of things, adding and subtracting within 20. So let's start at the top. 13, 12, 11, 11, 14, 16, 17, 18, 2, 1, 0, 3, 4, 5, 8. All right, top of column 2. Notice, pay attention, see here? I'm now missing a part within the problem. Okay, so 1, 2, 10, 10, 7, 10, 10, 10, 18, 19. Ooh, yeah, we're missing the holes for that. Now look, this one's a little bit different. Again, I have 3 parts now. I'm at question number 26. 12, 14, 15, 10, 3. All right, yeah, go ahead and write the total number correct at the top that you got in your minute. And we will proceed on with our lesson. So, come on. All right, so here we are. We are ready to continue. I'm going to read the problem to you. The video will prompt you to submit your solution. That's where you take your 3 minutes to work on it. If you get the answer, turn it in. If you don't get the answer, you can say, I don't know, say something so I know you interacted with it. And then we're going to keep on going and we're going to do the problem together. At that time, you will either get it for the first time or you will be checking your work. And make sure you do pay attention to that because your strategy might be different than my strategy, even if we both got the same right answer. So let's read the problem, and I'm going to give you a nice clean shot to work out of. Ruben was putting away his 14 toy cars. He filled his car carrier and had 4 cars left that could not fit. How many cars fit in his carrier? Listen to the way that problem is structured. Ruben was putting away his 14 toy cars. He filled his car carrier and had 4 cars left that could not fit. How many cars fit in his car carrier? Is it a clean shot you need? Okay, so just like our last meeting, we're gonna draw a picture again. This time though, we're starting with the whole. We started with 14, and then we filled the car carrier, and we had 4 cars left that couldn't fit. So this time, we're starting with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, not like that. Nope. We're gonna try our new shape. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Group of 10. Okay. 11, 12, 13, 14. This picture represents all of his cars. He filled his carrier and had 4 cars left that couldn't fit. How many cars fit in his carrier? Oh, wait a minute. Hold on. 14 cars minus 4 cars we know about left out is equal to this group of 10. So how many cars fit in his carrier? 10 cars fit. 10 cars fit in his carrier. All right, guys. So that looks a lot like what we're doing today. And let's go ahead and check this out. It says, the setup is for 14 plus 2. And what we can do when we see 14 plus 2 more, so 14 and 2 more, what I can do is I can say 10 and 4 plus 2. Oh wait, 4 and 2, that's 6. 6 and 10 is 16. That's what it looks like when we're adding. So adding when we make groups of 10, we're starting with this larger number. We have our 10 and some more, and we're subtracting when we take from 10. So let's do a few practice problems. They are on page 273 in the homework book. Yes. So 15 minus 6. 15 minus 6. We're going to take from 10. So I have 10 and 5. 10 minus 6, I'm taking from 10, is equal to what? 4. 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. Am I done? I still have 5 more that I didn't do anything with yet. That other 5 is still there. It has to be put back together. So after we've taken away the part we're subtracting, we have to put all the pieces back together. It'd be kind of like you dumped out all your Halloween candy and you gave away the Tootsie Rolls. Well, now you still got to pick back up all the rest that you still have and put it back in the bag. Does this make sense? Yeah, I just thought about that. So 4 and 5 is 9. So if my solution, my answer is 9, do I have any groups of 10 left? I do not. Do I have any ones? I do. I have 9 ones. 15 minus 6 is equal to 9 ones. This time we're going to add. Again, we're going to break apart that team number as 10 and 4. And this time we don't need to make, they already have one group of 10 made for us. We're trying to make another group of 10. So we're going to put the ones together. So 10 plus 4 plus 5. What is 5 and 4 more? Not quite. 5 and 4 more is 9. So what is, so 10 and 9 more is 19, which is one group of 10 and 9 ones. One group of 10 and 9 ones. So 14 plus 5 is equal to 19, and 15 minus 6 is equal to 9. Let's do a couple more. So yes, in this instance, we already have a one group of 10. We're trying to build up the next group of 10. Yeah, we're not going to take it apart. It's already a group of 10. It's set. It's good. It's solid. It's 10. All right, let's keep going. Numbers 5 and 6. Number 5 reads 13 plus 5. That same setup. I have one group of 10. Do I have enough to make another group of 10? Let's check. By separating the group of 10 and the 3 ones. So breaking it into pieces. So now we can see 10 plus 3 plus 5. So what is 10 plus 3 plus 5? What is 5 plus 3? 8. Is that another group of 10? Not quite. So I still just have one group of 10. So 10 and 8 is, what's 10 and 8? 18, which makes one group of 10 and 8 ones. One group of 10 and 8 ones. Now let's try a similar subtraction problem. We're still taking from 10 and bringing back the rest of the pieces and putting them together. So if we have 17, that means we have 10 and 7. When I take 8, I'm going to take 8 from 10. If I have 10 and I take 8, I'm left with 2. As always, that leaves me putting the 2 and the 7 back together to find my solution. What is 7? 8, 9. So 17 minus 8 is equal to 9. Do I have any groups of 10 left? Nope. When I broke up that group of 10, it was all over for it. Nope, no groups of 10. Just 9 ones. So 0 10s, no 10s, and 9 ones. 0 10s and 9 ones. Let's practice this in the context of a word problem. I have a couple word problems I want us to practice with. Straight numbers are nice. Let's practice. Let's apply it to a couple word problems. All right, so Mike had some red cars and 8 blue cars. If Mike has 9 red cars, how many cars does he have in all? Oh, snap. They told us the number of red cars. There's 9 of them. So 8 blue cars and 9 red cars. Let's put all of our cars together. Let's put all our cars together. So 8 cars plus 9 cars is equal to an unknown number of cars. All right, and putting these together, which of these values is closer to 10, a complete group of 10? 9 is, correct. So from this 8, I'm going to break it into smaller pieces. I need one of them, which leaves the other 7. 9 and 1, we recognize as a group of 10. And how many more? 7 more. So 10 and 7 more is 17, which means I have 1 10 and 7 ones. If you don't believe me, what you supposed to do? Draw a picture. And this was an addition example. Let's do, I think this will be subtraction. It would make sense for it to be subtraction. Let's check it out. Yanni and Han had 14 golf balls. They lost some balls. They had 8 golf balls left. How many balls did they lose? Okay, so they gave us this problem as 14 minus lost balls equals 8 balls left. Is that how I'm going to work to solve this problem? I will not. I'm going to use what I know about number bonds, and I'm going to make this 14 minus 8 is equal to my missing part. Now I can use my take from 10 strategy. From that 14, let's see if I can find my 4 real quick. No, 4 is hiding. Fine, 4 is hiding. From that 14, I'm going to break it into smaller pieces of 10 and 4. I will then take 8 from the group of 10, 10 minus 8, and then I'll put those 2 back together. Put those 2 pieces back together. So 14 a group of 10 4 ones. 10 minus 8 is always 2. 2 plus the 4 that are left, 6. In this problem, do I have any groups of 10 left when I found the answer? No. And I have how many ones? 6. 6 balls, to be exact. And y'all just let me leave that like that? No, it's 17 cars. Guys, we know better. We know better. Word problems need word answers. 17 cars and 6 balls. Those are our solutions. So that is our we do part. These are the ones that we did together. So I'm going to show you what you need to do. What do you need to do? Hold on, almost there. You need to do your problem set, which is front and back. The front side is straight numbers. The back side is word problems that start on page 165 in our beautiful Flower Fields Learn book. Page 165 and 166, so front and back. This is what you do. Then you go to your exit ticket, which I'm going to split between at least 2, maybe even 3 separate slides so you have room to work. When you're done, you submit it. This puts it back on me. Now it's an I do because I go and check your work. I get blank work. I don't know what to do with that. I can't grade it. I can't make plans for it. I can't help you when you turn in blank work, guys. You have to turn in what you at least think the answer is. And if you have more questions, then I'm able to help and support you better. But guys, that does conclude our lesson for today. So until next time, bye.